Hey guys, welcome to season 2 of Cactus Jerk. We are having a lot of work this year with the garden and everything, and I will try to fix the chainsaw which broke last autumn. So this is a pretty cheap electrical chainsaw, but so far it's the only one that we have, and I will try to fix it. I'm not sure if it will work, but I'll still try. So since you never know when it's going to be funny, I'll take a video of it. So I have a feeling I need a new one. Now that I see this thing here, I don't really feel comfortable repairing it. I have never repaired a chainsaw. Why isn't it? Yeah, problems already begin. I have no idea how to get this thing off. Like, what the? There's something that looks like a pin. God. I'll let you have a look here. So I'm really not sure what is holding this. I'm completely incompetent with stuff like this. So yeah, I can move it. I can get it up like this, you know. Oh. It's greasy and dirty, and I don't know what this is. If this is holding it, how should I get it off, you know? Maybe this is one. Maybe this is one piece. Is it? Well, it's definitely dirty as hell. I think I need a new chainsaw. Oh. I hate repairing things. Yeah, there seems to be one piece. Oh, great. Okay. Oh yeah, that worked. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. I just realized I screwed off the wrong part. Oh my god, I'm such a oh my god. Oh, this is so, I'm so, oh my god, I can't tell this anyone. I can't tell this my wife. I'm really ashamed right now. So the problem is I can't get the chain on. You know, the chain is kind of loose and wonky. This is all pretty cheap, and it's not how I wanna work in the future. In the next weeks and months, we will buy power tools. I also had a pretty good chainsaw by Stihl, which are, you know, they are pretty good, but it was beyond repair for the price that I would have put in, you know. It's like the chainsaw was was 200 bucks to repair, and that model was just too old, and I'll get me a new one eventually. But yeah, for now, this is all I have. This whole Corona thing has really caused problems for me. When this went down, this was like maybe 2 weeks now, that it became so bad, and everything has become quarantined. There are very few orders, and it's something that I rarely had, so I need to save a little bit. I can't spend as much as I want. So okay, I put this thing on again, which was totally unnecessary to take off. So I'll put this one on the side, and then we'll look at the other part. This is what comes on here. I bought a replacement chair, which you can see here. Yeah, okay, so let's open this up. It's the new chair. So how do I get this off? I really hope I can screw this off. Yeah, here. Okay, good. This is the old one. You see, it has like a pretty messed up inside. Now I didn't really look which side is up. Oh God, I really need to take better care when I assemble stuff. So this is probably like this, and then like this, right? I don't know. I'll try. Okay, this looks actually decent. But I have no idea if that's how it's supposed to be. I'll just, I don't know, we'll try. Oh, I hate this. This can't be like this. I should have really looked how to put it on. So this is almost certainly wrong. I don't think it's supposed to come like this. I'm not sure. Oh, I hate this. No, this can't be. I'm really too dumb for stuff like this. Oh. I should have really looked at this thing before I started screwing it apart. Oh, this is the same brain dead stuff that I always have, that I always do. So let me see. I know this comes here. This comes like this. So I need this to be like so. Maybe it goes through like this and then this. It's a wonderful day today. It's so sunny, I need to be careful about sunburn, and I will probably buy shade cloth for the greenhouse. So really nice day. This is all wrong. This is all wrong, man. Can't be like this. I don't know. I think I need to look at a picture of this thing. All right, this looks better. Okay. Yeah, this looks like. Okay. Ha! This could be. Could it really be like this? I don't know. No, this is like wrong. But this is how it's supposed to be, probably. So exactly on the other side. So like this. Oh man, what is it with this? I don't know, man. I think I need to Google this. Oh, Snoopy. This is how it's supposed to be, but this looks wrong, you know, like this is the wrong side. Well, I'll still try. We'll see. Oh. Just trying to see if this would work theoretically, like if there were a chain on it now, you know. Nope. This looks perfectly terrible. Yes, this looks pretty stupid, right? I think I need to buy a new one. This isn't working. This does not work for me. I'm not smart like this. I'm actually pretty stupid. This could work. This could fit. Yes, this could fit. Let's try this. I'm so bad at repairing things, as you can see. I wouldn't say I'm repairing this. I'm already happy when I don't break it. Okay. This looks actually... No, it doesn't. It's still broken. I think, yeah. You know what's ridiculous now? The part that I bought, I would have needed this one probably, and I didn't get that one. Because I now have a new thing to screw on here. And it will probably still not hold because the thing is like loose, you know, when it's broken. Well, now it holds. I don't know. I'll try to get the chain on, and then we'll see. Normally this thing should be able to screw this thing tight on here, and it's like, you know, it's shaking. This isn't good. So yeah, congratulations, Patrick. You still don't have a fucking I'm sorry. I promised myself I wouldn't swear. Sorry. I still don't have a chainsaw. That's what I wanted to say. So yeah. Well, this was today's video of home repair, chainsaw, garbage. Sorry, Snoopy. I scared Snoopy. Sorry, Snoopy. Yeah, this thing goes into the trash, I think, because I mean, you know, it's the quality isn't great. This was already wobbly quality to begin with. This cost like 60 bucks or so. I don't know. This is from Aldi, and yeah, I'm greatly disappointed. I'm really disappointed with this whole thing. So the next video is probably this thing in the trash, because I think I need a real one, a better one. So yeah, sorry guys, I let you down. I'm not going to become the chainsaw repair king. Not in the next 30 years or so. All right, bye.